Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Aklima Bibi and my ID is 1932357551. Today my presentation topic is basic concept of textile testing and quality control. So this is contents and today we will discuss this topic. So what is testing and textile testing? Testing is the process of evaluating a system or its component with the intent to find whether it is satisfies and specified requirement or not. Textile testing. Textile testing is the term for test that examines and assess the properties of textiles. Testing also helps companies test the suitable of raw materials, maintain quality control during the manufacturing process, and to provide information helpful in creating new textiles. Type of textile testing. Generally, there are three types of textile testing. Fiber test, identification of fiber length, elongation and strength etc. Yarn test, yarn count, strength, appearance, twist per unit length etc. Fabric test, thermal properties, wear, permeability, thickness, elongation, width, crease resistance, number of end and package per unit length, weight of fabric per unit length etc. Different method of textile testing. Different buyer use different textile testing method. There are different type of textile and garments testing methods such as American Society of Textiling and Materials, American Association of Textile Chemists and Colorists, International Organization for Standardization, European norms, British standards for European nations, British Institute for Norms, Bureau of Indian Standards. Importance of textile testing. Different stages of production where testing is important. Assessment of raw materials, quality management of production line, assessment of final production, research of development of new production, process development, process control, search for effective productivity. What is quality and quality control? Quality is the totality of feature and characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy given needs. Quality control can be defined as checking variation and regulation of degree excellence of an attribute or property of something. The operational technique and activities that are used to fulfill requirement of quality. Quality control in textile. Quality control in textile is consistent with being certain a product meet performance standards and customer expectation. Quality control of a textile products is like the oxygen of a human. Type of quality control. Mainly two types of quality control. Process control. Controlling of process sequence or step products deserves quality product in called process control. Product control. The control which is used to decrease defective items within different lot of product good is known as product control. It is applied after production process. How to step quality control. Mainly two steps of quality control. Number 1, checking, and number 2, rectification. Checking. Importers often want to know that the best way clarifying their product requirement both to their suppliers that might check and order before shipping. Rectification are two types, repair and replace. Repair. When we found any removable fault and variation, we try to rectify it by repairing. Removable fault is rectified by repairing of that production. Replace. Something we can fault or variation which is not possible to remove, so it's called unremovable fault. Unremovable fault is rectified by replacing if that product. There is not two options without replacing. Importance of quality control. Quality is an important factor when it comes to any product or service. Quality control is essential to building a successful business that drives production that meet to extend customers' expectation. So today my presentation is complete. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.